Hello everyone, nice to meet you. My name is Aisyah Nurasana. Currently, I'm in the 5th semester majoring in nutrition and dietetics in Palangka Raya Health Polytechnic, located in Central Kalimantan. I'm here as the representative in Pemilihan Mahasiswa Berprestasi Poltekkes Kemenkes Nasional 2021. Right now, I am actively involved in student association in my campus as their main secretary, and we share nutrition-related information in our social media. Besides organization, I like to improve my skills in learning foreign languages like Japanese, Korean, and Arabic. Aside from that, I'm also interested in art, such as poetry and graphic design. I often use several applications on my laptop to make posters for education and event purposes. They brought me to several achievements.
In 2019, me and my friend were awarded as the top 10 finalists for the International Poster Competition. In the same year, I got the second place in National Poster Competition and the first place in 2020. And this year, I got the second place in National Virtual Poster. I was also one of contributors in poetry anthology book entitled Monochrome, which is the collection of top 100 in international poetry writing competition. Furthermore, I have participated in many international and national competition and events.
As we know, plastic waste is a problematic issue. At the moment, Indonesia is the second biggest country that produces plastic waste to the ocean after China. Based on Environment, Health and Forestry Ministry in 2020, one single person produced around 0.7 kg waste per day, and its 15–20% is plastic, including food packaging. With the assumption of 271 million people, there will be around 27,000 to 38,000 tons of plastic waste in one day. And to keep in mind, plastic characteristic is hard to decompose by the nature. It will cause soil infertility, endanger marine lives, air pollution, and many more.
In the other side, Indonesia has many natural resources. Maybe you are familiar with this one? Yes, it's cassava. But are you familiar with this one? This is Ternoclina palutris, known as Kelakai. So many research showed that cassava flour has high amylose, which is ideal to make a strong and flexible edible film. And Kelakai has proved to have high antioxidant and strong antibacterial activity. But how it can be a complementary solution for plastic waste? Let me show you.
The first step is to add 15 gram cassava flour as the main ingredient with 100 ml water, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon gliserol with 15 ml Kelakai extract. And then mix it well. After that, you can add desired food additives. Here, I'm using natural coloring using extract from dragon fruit, turmeric, butterfly pea flower, and Dracaena pandan leaves. The next step is cook the mixture in low heat about 5 minutes. To prevent mixture from clumping, keep stirring until it looks like gel. After that, pour the mixture onto a non-stick flat tray, then spread it carefully into even thin layer using spatula like this. Let it set a bit in room temperature and then place it on a dehydrator in 60 degrees Celsius for 18 hours. Alternatively, you may use sun drying method for 2 days. Upcoming step is peeling it from the tray. Later, it is cut into needed size. But then, the question is, how do we use it? It's pretty easy. You only need to wrap your food with Singel Pack, then secure it with heat sealer. After secured, we can cut the excess using scissors. And it's done, as simple as that. Here we are. I proudly present you my product, Singel Pack, an eco-friendly food packaging innovation based on cassava and kelakai. It has a lot of advantages. First, it's zero waste because this product is edible and made from natural ingredients. Second, it's customizable. You can add desired flavor or coloring, such as food coloring and other natural additives. And third, it's healthy because it contains nutrients such as fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. And also, it has antibacterial agents, which makes this product is perfect to wrap your frozen food, cookies, bread, confectionaries, dry seasoning, and even oil seasoning. Replace your plastic pack with this Singel Pack.
Nutrition program of Palangka Raya Health Polytechnic will contribute in making innovational product through national level achievement student election. Our student Aisyah Nur Hasanah has presented Singel Pack, an innovative eco-friendly food packaging. I give high appreciation for her innovation, and I believe it might answer the problem of overwaste in Indonesia. Replace your plastic pack with this Singel Pack.